CapCut Desktop Auto Captions: How to generate and style subtitles automatically. If you want to generate subtitles or captions on CapCut and also make sure to style them automatically, it is fairly simple for us to do so. So once you have a particular media over here with the clear language and audio and you want to generate auto captions for this, so from the top left you can see the toolbar from where you want to go to the option called Captions. Now from Captions you can see auto captions. Select the spoken language first. Once you select the spoken language, you can select the bilingual captions as well. Then you can basically go to templates and choose any one of these templates right over here. So once you choose templates, along with this template you can just hit the generate caption button. It will automatically generate the captions for you and you can choose to style it accordingly with all the templates that is given on the left hand side of the screen. And this way you will be able to automatically generate the subtitles and also style them accordingly. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.